Good afternoon, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234. And I wanted to take just a quick moment as I was here with Ronnie admiring 2019 Buick Lacrosse. Really a nice car with 34,000 miles. It's a local car. Folks originally bought it down in Mount Dora. This has the premium package, dual power seats, leather, smoke-free cabin. 2019 Buick Lacrosse with the upgraded premium package.
And honestly, it's so funny to me how much
the seats and the carpet.
Taking a nap or getting hydrated will do for your outlook on life.
Just a little 1 minute peek at a new arrival.
Or drink a glass of water. Maybe go for a walk.
Navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls. Let's see what's good. Really a nice car. This is a 2019 Buick Lacrosse Premium. Let me get you a little peek at the outside. Bose stereo, power seats. You can see here it picks up the Joy FM nicely. We can sit here all day. I promised you just a minute. Let me show you the outside. And here's a look at the 19 Buick we were just looking at the inside of. Beautiful metallic paint. Once again, a premium package. Florida car, originally sold new in Mount Dora. Just look at that shade. What a beautiful shade. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Just taking a quick moment to highlight we've got some great national lenders, fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris Credit, which we use kind of often for folks with new and rebuilding situations. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, 2261 Southwest College Road, highlighting a vehicle that was traded in on a Lexus Saturday, 19 Lacrosse Premium, 34,000 miles, local Florida car. We love trades, open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6. We have our families off on Sundays and home for dinner every night. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.